After use, turn off the switch, wipe away any water droplets from the surrounding area, and then drain the water. There are 2 drain valves. Generally, only the larger one is used. Connect it to the lifting mechanism. The machine operates on 220V power. It is equipped with ozone and cleaning switches. Do not exceed the water level mark when filling. Once the water has drained, simply wipe the machine clean.